Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find password and security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint unlock, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the screen locking section, which may be quite confusing, but let me explain. It will be useful if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work. Then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the hard reset operation and wiping out all of the data. So this screen lock acts like a backup lock or something like that. So just first of all set it. Of course, if you've got one currently set, you will be just transferred to another step, so no worries. Let me set the pattern. Okay, confirm. And as you can see, here we've got the instructions, so we can add our fingerprint just by putting our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the side. So let me do it. And right now, as you can see, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, it is done. I don't want to add face data. We can rename the fingerprint if you want to. I don't want to do that, so just tap on done. We can add another fingerprint. I believe we can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Here we've got the recognition method, the touch and press, and I highly recommend to keep the touch option. Of course, it depends, but I really think that the touch option is much easier, because to unlock your device, you will simply have to put your finger on the sensor. And in the second option, you will have to put it and also press the power button. So I think the touch is much better. And here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. The lock screen, privacy, password, app lock, fingerprint payments, up to you. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is immediately unblocked, which simply means that we successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.